Let's start question number first of exercise 10th E. Question is add. A part is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. See, both the fractions are unlike fractions. So first of all, we will convert the fractions into like fractions. Okay. We'll make the denominator of both the fractions same. So there are two methods. First method is we multiply first fraction by the denominator of second fraction, means we multiply the numerator and denominator of first fraction by the denominator of second fraction and second fraction by the denominator of first fraction. Okay, so this will be 4 upon 8 and this will be 2 upon 8. Okay, now 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. 1 by 2 has become 4 by 8 and 1 by 4 has become 2 by 8. Now we will add the numerators and take the common denominators. Okay, as the denominators are same, so what we do, we add the numerators only and take the common denominator. So this will be 6 upon 8. Now what we will do, we will reduce the fraction into lowest term. 6 can be written as 2 multiplied by 3 and 8 can be written as 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Okay, 2 and 2 cancel out. So this will be 3 upon 4. Okay, this will be 3 upon 4. This is first method to solve this question. Second method is we find the least common multiple of the denominators and make the denominator of both the fraction equal to the least common multiple. Okay, so first of all, we find the multiples of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 10, 12, 14 and so on. These are multiples of 2 and multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 and so on. Now we will find the least common multiple. See, the common multiples are 4, 8, 12 and so on, and we take only the least common multiple. Least means सबसे छोटा common multiple, that is 4. Okay, least common multiple is 4. Now what we will do, we will make the denominator of both the fraction is equal to the least common multiple. Okay, हम दोनों fractions का denominator जो है हमारे least common multiple के equal बना देंगे. So by which number I should multiply 2 to get 4? If I multiply 2 by 2, I will get 4. And the denominator of this fraction is already 4. So we will multiply it by 1. So this will be 1 upon 4. Now add the fractions. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 is equal to 2 by 4 plus 1 by 4. So this will be 2 plus 1 by 4, which is 3 by 4. Okay, we add the numerators and take the common denominator. So this is 3 by 4. This is A part of question number first. B part is 2 by 3 plus 5 upon 6. So first of all, we will multiply the numerator and denominator of first fraction by the denominator of second fraction and second fraction by the denominator of first fraction to convert the fractions into like fractions. 2 6 are 12 and 3 6 are 18, 5 3s are 15 and 6 3s are 18. Okay, now 2 by 3 plus 5 upon 6 is equal to 2 by 3 has become 12 upon 18 and 5 by 6 has become 15 upon 18. Now what we will do, we will add the numerators only and take the common denominator. So this will be 27 upon 18. Okay, now we will reduce the fraction into lowest terms. Okay, 9 3s are 27 and 9 2s are 18. So this will be 3 upon 2. C part is 4 upon 5 plus 7 upon 15. Here I am using second method, means I will take the least common multiple of 5 and 15. So multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and so on. And multiples of 15 are 15, 30, 45, 60 and so on. Now common multiple. Common multiples are 15, 30 and so on, and least common multiple. सबसे छोटा common multiple कौन सा है आपका? 15. So we will make the denominator of both the fractions 15. 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15, and this is already 15, so multiply it by 1 only, so this will be 7 upon 15. Now add the fractions. 12 upon 15 plus 7 upon 15, so this will be 12 plus 7 upon 15. We add the numerators and take the common denominator. Okay, we add the numerators only. So 12 plus 7 is 19 upon 15. As this is an improper fraction, so we can convert it into mixed fraction also. This will be 1/4 upon 15. So this is question number first of exercise 10E.